Chicken Coop. I'm Christine, and today I'm going to share a few hacks on raising backyard chickens. I converted an old shed on the property into a chicken coop. For nesting boxes, 5-gallon buckets work great. Simply turn them on their side, secure them on a shelf, add a lip to keep your nesting materials in, and a good ratio to use when you're planning your nesting boxes is 1 box to every 4 chickens. Another thing you can repurpose is an old shipping container. Another item you can repurpose for your chicken run is a leaky baby pool turned into a dust bath for your chickens. A dust bath is your chicken's way of keeping its feathers clean and free from parasites, lice, and mites. To create a dust bath in your run, drill holes in an old baby pool and fill it with a mix of diatomaceous earth, sand, and wood ash. Another great and simple addition to your chicken run is a forage box. This will provide your chickens with food during growing season while preventing them from tearing out the root in the plants. To build a forage box, make a simple frame from treated 2x4s and nails or screws to fit a desired location. Cover the frame with hardware cloth using staples, and plant a ground cover forage mix from any farm store. This contains clover, alfalfa, annual and perennial grasses, and flax. It will help increase the omega-3 fatty acids in the eggs. Water the seeds during growing season whenever you fill your waterers. Another tip I'd like to share is horseradish as a perennial border on your chicken run. It's low maintenance, it fills in quickly, you can mow right up to it so you will avoid trimming along your chicken coop. It provides a little bit of shade on the inside. The chickens do eat it as it pokes through the fence. And as an added bonus, I believe the roots deter predators and dogs from digging underneath your run. If you have some helpful chicken tips that you'd love to share, we'd love to hear from you. Post them in the comments section. Also, be sure to check out the related articles that I've included in the video description, as well as these great materials that you can purchase through the Mother Earth news store. Until next time, thanks for joining me.